Hey, welcome back. It's Nosaurus Rex, and today I'm going to show you the Lost World T-Rex puppet. I I got this a long time ago, and I don't know how I got it. And so after I got this, I never seen it on online again until one time I was searching on eBay to find the bull T-Rex, to find the bull the to find the bull T-Rex. So I found it, I found this in packaging looking so great. And I figured would want to show you guys. So this is obviously this is a Lost World. This looks like the male or female. This looks like the buck, even though the bull T-Rex is the buck. This looks like the buck because it's green. Obviously, the next T-Rex I want is the Thrasher, because that one looks real cool. Now I want the Red Rex too. So you can see it's got its JP mark. The feet look nice. And yeah, it says it's by the Lost World. I know it's kind of blurry to see. It says the Lost World, Jurassic Park, trademark 1996, UCS, emblem, made in China. I don't know if this was made by Kenner or Hasbro. Obviously, you can see on the T-Rex's foot that it says it's made by Hasbro. So probably this one was made by Hasbro too. This one didn't swallow figures, but it's a puppet, which I just use it as a toy because watch this. It does fit my arm, but ow, it's hurting me. I bet this was made for, I bet this was like 9 and up, or 12 and up, because my arm could bear, every time I could fit it in my arm, it would always hurt. So let's do this comparison to this Jurassic Park, this Legacy Collection Jurassic Park Jeep. It's gonna fall. This thing falls, I'm gonna be so mad. It's starting to fall. I'm gonna have to hold it. Okay, it's pretty big. Now let's compare them to Owen over here. Yep, he is big. I don't have a measure tape, so I'm just gonna comparison him to the bull T-Rex, which apparently his mouth is full of Legos. You have to pull him out. Alright. Alright, so the bull T-Rex and let's do it. The bull T-Rex and the T-Rex puppet. The T-Rex puppet is bigger than the bull T-Rex. And we'll make a review on the bull T-Rex. Yeah. Probably after this, I'll make another review, and it's going to be on this guy. So, let's compare him to another dinosaur. Like it's definitely going to be bigger. The Schleich Carnotaurus. Hey, doggy. Woo! So, there you have it. The T-Rex, the Lost World Jurassic Park T-Rex puppet.